This way for Gangtok? Thank you, sir.
We run away to get us up when we're low. Just chase the waves, we'll make it up as we go. If you're heavy, I'll show you where to go. Won't you set free? Behind the town for low, we run away.
Hey everybody, how's it doing? We got a awesome day coming up today. We're still here in Darjeeling, but we have hired ourselves a couple of Royal Enfields, and today we're riding north into Sikkim. It's gonna be awesome. I haven't actually ridden this style of Royal Enfield yet. It's a very classic Indian bike, so I'm looking forward to sort of getting out onto some mountain roads on that. And also Sikkim is supposed to be really beautiful. It should be amazing. So today we're going to head to Gangtok, which is the capital. We'll find some accommodation there, and then we are going to try and organize a permit to go to the restricted area of Sikkim further up in the north. And if we get all that done, we'll probably go for a bit of a ride and yeah, check out the area. But for now we're gonna jump on the bikes and head to Gangtok. Hey buddy. Hey, hello. Hello. Namaste.
Namaste.
Stay. Stay. Woo!
Even if I lose my ground, I won't let it hold me down.
And we're up.
We will go our way until we go flatline. Don't get in our way, 'cause we won't waste more time.
There are monkeys everywhere. So we've been riding maybe half an hour. Just pulled over on the side of the road because I spotted this up the hill here. I don't know, it looks like a little altar maybe or something like that. Just gonna wander up and check it out. Alright, so I've wandered up here. So it's like a little shelter or something, but geez, where it's built is absolutely astounding. Look at this. It's built in the lee of this massive rock. A few paintings up here. Yeah, it's amazing. Now we better keep heading. So I'll cruise back down.
We make our way
So we've arrived at the border to Sikkim. We stopped up on the road there because it looked like a checkpoint. They just told us to come down around the corner here to the Foreigners Reporting Office. So we'll go and take our little permit in there, and yeah, hopefully everything's all good and we can continue on to Gangtok. Done and dusted. I just wanted to see our passports, wrote our names and details in a little book, and we're good to go. Alright, so we've made it to Gangtok. A little bit later than we anticipated. As misread a road sign, and I thought we were just going off for a bit of sightseeing. So I followed along and we ended up with about a 30-kilometer detour, but no, it was brilliant anyway. The roads were amazing, the riding was fantastic. So yeah, we've just arrived at a hotel, so dump our bags. I'll go and wash the road makeup off my face, eyeliner, and then yeah, we'll probably go and try and find somewhere to grab a bite to eat or something like that. Hey guys, how you doing?